How to fix Instagram story problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, now all what you want to do next is very simple. Just wait a few seconds, and after that, just search for Instagram and for stop the app, and then go to the permissions. This here, make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back, click on data usage, disable the Wi-Fi and mobile data and enable them back again. Go back, click on storage, click on clear data and delete. That's it. Now go back to the settings on your phone, go into the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. Congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.